Here's a familiar one. This has been here before and it's in for its checkup. So I don't think it's going to need too much. And this is a World Strat. That has had the finish removed and redone. And a set of Duncan hot reels in it. So I'll give her a little bit of a touch up and check everything over. Like I said, I don't think it's going to need too much, but we'll get her on the bench. As always, first step is to check how much relief is in the neck. Oh, she needs a bit of a straightening out. That's pretty typical. Changing seasons, they move. And we'll give it a quarter turn. I can go a bit more yet. Yeah, about another 1/16 of a turn. And that brought her right on. Beautiful. Oh, pretty nice slinky 4/64. I guess we can put some new strings on it, clean up the fretboard a little bit, give her a bit of an oil. Oh, I like to give all frets a little bit of a clean up when I do a setup. And I just use a Dremel tool with a little bit of polishing compound just to get the shine back. Some people would say, what are you using polishing compound for when it gets all black and dirty? But you know, they do the same thing to a paint job when they buff that out. Polishing compound and a big black buffing wheel. Just a little bit of abrasive to get the crud out of it, and then I finish it off with some Neverdull, which is kind of a polish and preservative anti-corrosion compound in it, and it makes them all pretty. And after we get that done, of course, dab of mineral oil. And of course we don't let it soak in. Not for very long. A couple of seconds is all it takes. They're like little mirrors. And we're going to drop in a set of 10 gauge D'Addario. At least we're going to try to. Go. It all depends if you can find the hole or not. One of these days I'm going to be able to afford an electric string winder. Oh, I almost forgot. Touch of graphite in there for lube. Okay. Got the new strings on it and go over everything again. Oh, that is beautiful. And string height. Excellent. While we're here, we'll do the pickup height too. And obviously nothing's been moved since last time I did anything. So we'll just check out the intonation. Yeah, we're good. Excellent. Well, there we go. Another one done for the books. And that is a Squire Wayne's World Strat. And of course we'll let it sit overnight and then we'll check it all over again and then we'll clip the strings. Notice I keep them all on there until I'm all done. And we'll send it back home. And all the frets work. Perfect. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. And have a great day. Thanks for dropping by.